A little shop talk today on Tamarack Trail Riders. Picked up the Can-Am XMR and really like this machine, but notice that there's kind of wasted space here beside the rad, and there's no really place to store or carry anything with you, like a gas can or a cooler or whatever. I got the big cargo box on the back, but that's usually full. We got kids we bring along with us and stuff too, so there's lots of stuff to bring. So did a little searching on the internet and discovered ATV.com. And he makes racks for the XMR. These are, I don't know, that high density plastic racks. And then he supplies all the stainless steel hardware with them. Stainless steel brackets, stainless steel U-bolts, everything, all stainless steel hardware. So this rack goes on like so. Now you can strap whatever you want down to it. I think they're good for 20 pounds per side. Let's put them on. So yeah, so the U-bolt's just going to go around your pipe here. Just to show you for an example. Just around the pipe, they go through this bracket, and there's two nuts that hold each U-bolt on. So you got a U-bolt here and a U-bolt here. It's all stainless hardware. This stuff is well designed. Whoever, like this, it's amazing how precision fit this really is. And yeah, then you just kind of tighten it as you go to where you want it to be level. So you can kind of see the U-bolt there. So you just use extensions on your ratchet, 1/2-inch socket, and you kind of just tighten it as you go a little bit evenly as you want to go. Wrench up top, socket on the bottom. A little bit at a time until she's good and snug. And like I said, you can, as you're tightening it, the brackets are slotted so you can adjust it to make your rack level. Another well thought part of the design. So that's got the first side done. The left side, pretty impressed with how this all fits and looks and everything. Like, it is rock solid. You will shake the machine apart before you shake those off. Very nice hardware. All stainless steel brackets. It almost, honestly, it almost looks like it's supposed to be there. And put the link attachments in, so holes for your link brackets to go in to attach accessories and holders and whatnot. And then lots of places for fender bags and bungee cords and whatnot to strap your gear down. You put a jerry can on there, a chainsaw on there. Pretty slick. There's the finished product. Got them both on. They're pretty sweet. And like I said, they are rock solid. These Aero ATV rack kits for the XMRs are pretty sweet, man. They are rock solid. You probably pick up the quad and flip it over with those on there. So yeah, if you want to take your XMR and do a little wood cutting, now you can. Bring some extra gas along. You don't have to put it in your cargo box. If you run a cargo box, you don't want to run this stuff in there, because oil and gas and everything inside your cargo box is not so nice. Yeah, and I mean, tons of little places to put straps to, or link accessories, things like that. Pretty sweet. Pretty good setup. Highly recommend.